Hi Java developer, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about the linked list in Java. So what is a linked list? Imagine you are playing a game where you collect items in a line. Each item is linked to the next one. That's like a linked list in Java. It is a way to store items, we call them elements, where each one points to the next one in line. So here is a representation of linked list. So we have the node, and the node it's containing the data, which is the value, and containing the next, which is pointed to the next node, and so on. And the first one is called, it's pointed to the head, and the last one is pointed to the tail. Now how we can declare a linked list in Java? It's very simple, straightforward. So we will say the linked list, the keyword, and between the two diamond less than and greater than, we specify the type of the linked list that we want. So here we say string, and then the name of the linked list. For in this example, we say inventory equal a new linked list, and then we use the diamond here, greater than and less than, and we close the bracket here. Now, how we can add an element to our list, linked list? So it's very simple. So we can say inventory and dot, and we can add, and here we can specify the value that we need to add. So let's add here is apple, and let us add another items here, and let's say it's orange. Okay, so now we have two nodes. The first node is called apple, and the second node is called orange, and the first node is pointed to the next one, which is orange. So now let us print the inventory. So we can say system.out.print, and let's say inventory here. Okay, and now let us print our inventory. So it's straightforward, just print inventory. So now, as you can see here, we have two nodes. The first node is apple and orange. Okay, let us add another item, inventory dot add, and let us add a strawberry. Okay, run. So as you can see, by default, it's add at the end of the linked list. So now, if we need to add an item at the first, which is before the apple, it's straightforward. We just say inventor dot add, and here we can add first, and okay, let us add pineapple here, and now let us run the code again. So here add the pineapple at the beginning. Okay, sounds good. Okay, so what about if we need to add something between pineapple and apple, or let us make it more fun, something between apple and orange? Okay, so we need to add it between an apple and orange. So what will you say? Inventory dot add, and at position 2, because we need to add it here. So this is 0, position 0, this is position 1, so it will be here, which is position 2, and the value here is mango. Run, and now we can see here the mango, it's added between apple and orange. Now what about if we need to removing any element? It's the same thing. So what we have to do, if we need to removing the first element here, okay, let me print dot here. So we can say inventory dot remove, and we can just select remove first, and let us copy that one here, so we can see the result before and after. Okay, so here is the inventory. It's contain pineapple here, but here we are removing, because we are removing the first node. It's straightforward. Now, how about if we need to remove something else, not the first element, like last element? So we can say inventory dot remove, and we can just select remove last. So now here strawberry, it will be removed. So if we run, now it's just having 3 items. Okay, now if we need to removing something that is not in last, something like in between, so same thing where how we adding an element between two nodes. So we can just specify the index for that one that we need to remove. Like if I need to remove mango here, it is 1, so I just say 1, and now it will be removing the mango. So now final one is having apple and orange. Okay, it's straightforward. Now how we can iterate over the linked list? So basically we can using for each for, and we can say string, and let's call it items here. I item, and then we say inventory here, and then here we can just simplify print. So here I'm able to iterate over the linked list, and I can print all of them. So thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next video.